How to add HTML extension on Visual Studio Code. If you want to write code on HTML language and want to install it on Visual Studio Code, then follow this instruction. First, make sure that you have downloaded Visual Studio app on your laptop, and after that click on the launchpad and find and open Visual Studio Code. After you open this app, you'll see this welcome page, and here on the left side you can see these different options. Click on this last option here which says extensions, and after that click on this search bar and type in HTML. Now you will see different options here. Click on this HTML CSS option. After that click on this install option. After you have successfully installed HTML, you can see these different options, and by that you will know that you have successfully downloaded HTML on Visual Studio. So following the simple and easy step, you can now easily add HTML extension on Visual Studio Code. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.